in between where the house in Nashville is and Music Row, there's a funeral home and a mausoleum and a cemetery right between where we live, and a lot of times I'll go down to write with somebody down there. I don't go down to Music Row hardly anymore, but I used to a lot. And about 80% of the time I'll go to write and there'll be like a funeral going on, and I'll get stuck behind a bunch of cars. And this one time I was running late, and this is how the song wrote. But also since then, or actually during the writing of this song, I'd see a lot of those funeral cars, and I'd see some with only like 4 cars following. I'd feel bad because nobody was, there wasn't very many people into the guy that just passed, or gal. And then I'd see a really long one, and I'd think, wow, that's awesome. That's a good life. And that's how this song came to be. I thought, man, I hope I have a long train of cars. It goes like this. Running late for a meeting, 3 minutes till 9. Holding me up, at least 50 cars in line. It was a funeral train. Right after I cussed my luck for making me wait, the hearse rolled by and all I was late. So I took off my hat. I could at least give him that. Then I put myself in park. Took a good long look at my heart. I hope I have a long train of cars with their headlights on, following me after I'm gone, showing everybody as we're passing by. He must have got a few things right. Down Main Street, wrapped around the town square, somebody loved me, somebody cared enough to show up and say a prayer over my name. I hope I have a long train. I hope I have a long train. Do I give love away or keep it all to myself? Do I let the light shine enough on somebody else? Do I have a kind word? We all can use a kind word. Do I open my arms when I see a teardrop fall? And am I someone in need can call? Do I offer my time when time's so hard to find? When the clock runs out on me, I hope my soul looks down and sees. I hope I see a long train of cars with headlights on, following me after I'm gone, showing everybody as we're passing by. He must have got a few things right. Down Main Street, wrapped around the town square, somebody loved me, somebody cared enough to show up and say a prayer in Jesus' name. I hope I have a long